Hello students, welcome to Narana live classes. Let us discuss assignment 5 in our binomial theorem. Now if you see the first question, if the second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus b whole power n are 135, 30 and 10 by 3 respectively, then n is equals to. Now we know what is the general term in the expansion. What is that? It is NCR into x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r, which is represented by tr plus 1. Therefore, tr plus 1 equals to NCR x power n minus r into the a power r if the expansion is x plus a whole power n. If the expansion is x plus a whole power n. Now, in this what we are given second term, third term and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus b whole power n. So, if I take a plus b whole power n, a plus b whole power n, we are given that second term t2, we are given that third term t3 and fourth term t4. We are given that second term, that is t2, third term t3 and fourth term t4 as 135, 30 and 10 by 3. So this is given as 135. Now what we get second term as NC1, because TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r, means a to the power of what we get n minus 1 into b to the power of 1. Okay. Next, what we have the next condition as T3, that is your third term, and what we are given this value is equals to the second term, what we are given the value is equals to 135. Okay. So this is equals to 135. Next, third term, which is nothing but NC2 a to the power of n minus 2 into b square. Now what is this value is given as equals to, what is this value is given as equals to 30. Second term is given as equals to 30. Therefore this is equals to 30. And the third term, fourth term, that is NC3, that is a to the power of n minus 3 into b cube. What is this value is given is equals to 10 by 3. Is equals to 10 by 3. Now from this we need to find the value of our n. So for this, let us take this as equation 1, let us take this as equation 2 and this is 3. Now if I divide 2 by 1, if I divide 2 by 1, what we get? NC2 by NC1. I am taking individually NC2 by NC1. What we get the next value as a power n minus 2 by a power n minus 1. What we get? A power n minus 2 by a power n minus 1, 1 by a. Okay. Next what we have? B square by b, which is nothing but b. Now what is this value is equals to 30 by 135, which is nothing but 15 2s 30 and 15 9s 135. Let us take this as equation 4. Okay. Similarly, if I divide 3 with 2, I am taking equation 3 by equation 2. What we get the value as? NC3 by NC2 into what we have here, a power n minus 3 by a power n minus 2. Again the value is 1 by a, and b cube by b square into b. What is this value is equals to 10 by 3 by 30. 10 by 3 by 30. So what we get this value as? 1 by 9. Okay. Let us take this as equation 5. Now if you observe here, if this is b by a and this is also b by a, and in this equation you have NC2 by, here you have NC2 by NC1, NC3 by NC2, and we have a condition that NCR by NCR minus 1 equals to n minus r plus 1 by r. NCR by NCR minus 1 equals to n minus r plus 1 by r. So in this case what we are going to get? N minus 2 plus 1 by 2. So what we are going to get the value as? n minus 1 by 2. N minus 1 by 2 into what we have is b by a. This I am dividing with, means what I am taking the condition here as 4 by 5. This I am dividing with the value as, again here you have nc3 by nc2. So what we are going to get, n minus 3 plus 1 means n minus 2 by 3 into b by a. Now what is this value is equals to, here what we have 2 by 9 by 1 by 9. So what we are going to get the value as 2. Therefore this b by a and b by a will get cancelled. Okay, so what we are going to get, if I multiply this value to the other side, you get n 3 into n minus 1 by 2. So this is n minus 1 by n minus 3 times of n minus 1 is equals to 4 times of n minus 2. So when you simplify, you get the value of your n. What we get the value of your n is equals to 5. That is nothing but option 1. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let us move on to the next question. Now what we are given the next question as the 21st term and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44 are equal. 21st term and 22nd terms in the expansion are equal. Now what is your 21st term? Means what we need to find T21. What is T21 in this expansion is given as, again the general expansion of your binomial term. What you are going to get? NCR. So what is the value of your R here? 44. NCR means 44C20 into what we have here 1 plus x whole power. So what is this value? X power 44 minus 20. What we get? 24. 44 minus 20, that is 24. And similarly, what is the 22nd term? That is T22. What we get the T22 value as? 44C. What is the value of R will be? 21 into x power. What we get this value as? 44 minus 21. Therefore, you get the value as 23. Okay, so we get the value as 23. Now, what we are given, these two terms in the expansions are equal, which implies your 44C20 into x power 24 is equals to 44C21 into x power 23. Now what we are supposed to find the value of x in this. So get the value of x to other side. What we get? X power 24 by x power 23 is equals to 44C21 by 44C20. Now this is again similar to your NCR by NCR minus 1, which is nothing but n minus r plus 1, means 44 minus r 21 plus 1 by 21. So when you simplify here x power 24, we get the value of x is equals to 7 by 8. We get the value of x as 7 by 8, which is nothing but our option 2. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. If the coefficients of 2r plus 4th term and r plus second term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 18. Now here they are comparing only the coefficients, not the entire expansion. Now let us see the 2r plus 4th term. They said 2r plus 4th term means t of 2r plus 4. What will be the coefficient over here? It is power is nothing but 18. Therefore n18c. What is the value of this can be written as 3 plus 1. Therefore this becomes 2r plus 3. Similarly, if I take r minus second term, r minus second term means t of r minus 2. What I can write the value as? R minus 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 18c r minus 3. 18c r minus 3. Now we are given that these two are equal, which implies your 18c 2r plus 3 is equals to 18c r minus 3. Now we have a condition that if your NCR is equals to NCS, if your NCR is equals to NCS, what are the two conditions you have? The first condition is R equals to S. R equal to S. Now if I equate these two, what you are going to get? 2R plus 3 is equals to R minus 3, which implies what you are going to get? R is equals to minus 6. Is it possible to get the value of R as negative? Therefore this is not possible. Now what is the condition? Next one we have, if your value of your NCR is equal to NCS, the second condition is your N is equals to R plus S. Means here in place of N, what we have the power as 18 equals to R plus S, which is nothing but 2R plus 3 plus R minus 3. Therefore these two will get cancelled. 18 is equals to 3R, or the value of your R is equals to 6. Therefore that is nothing but our option 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let us move on to the next question. Now if A1, A2, A3, A4 are the coefficients of second, third, fourth and fifth terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, then A1 by A1 plus A2 plus A3 by A3 plus A4. Now just see here, A1, A2, A3, A4 are second, third, fourth and fifth terms. Means what is here? A1 is equals to, and they are specifying it as coefficients of 1 plus x whole power n. Means I can take A1 is equal to second term, means here NC1. A2 is equals to third term, which is nothing but NC2. NC2. A3 is equals to our fourth term, which is nothing but NC3. And A4 is equals to fifth term, which is nothing but NC4. Now we have NC1, NC2, NC3 and NC4 in place of your A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now instead of taking the LCM or simplifying it, what we are going to do is, we will divide each term in the numerator of first part with A1, as well as in the denominator also with A1. Means I can reduce the entire expression as 1 by, because I am dividing with A1, A1 by A1 it is 1, plus it is again A1 by A1 it is 1, plus A2 by A1. Okay, similarly the second part, if I divide with A3, what I am going to get? 1 by 1 plus it is A4 by A3. A4 by A3. Now what is the value of your A1 is equals to, A2 is equal to NC2, and what is A1 is equal to NC1. So what we are going to get here? 1 plus it is NC2 by NC1 plus 1 by, here what we get? 1 plus, what is your value of your A4 equals to NC4 by value of your A3, it is NC3. NC3 means it is similar to again the previous condition, NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. Means what we are going to get the value here? 1 by 1 plus N minus R plus 1, means N minus 2 plus 1, N minus 1 by 2. Similarly this value will be 1 by 1 plus N minus R plus 1, means N minus 3 by 4. Okay, so what we are going to get when we simplify this is 2 plus N minus 1, means you get N plus 1, and the numerator you are going to get has 2 by N plus 1. Similarly here what we have, this 4 goes in numerator, therefore it is 4 by, again 4 plus N minus 3, means you get N plus 1, which is nothing but 6 by N plus 1. But do we have this in the option? No. Now you have to check from the options, means for which value you are going to get it as 6 by N plus 1. So if I check the second option, in this, what we have? 2 times of A2 by A2 plus A3. Therefore I will write this as 2 by 1 plus A3 by A2. 2 by 1 plus A3 by A2. Therefore this is nothing but 2 by 1 plus, now what is your A3 is equals to, it is NC3 by, what is your A2 is equals to NC2, okay, which is nothing but, again if I make use of the condition, 2 by, what we get here, NCR by NCR minus 1, which is nothing but 1 plus N minus 3 plus 1, which is nothing but, you can take the value as N minus 2 by 3, means this goes to your numerator, you get the value as 6 by N plus 1, means our second option is also giving the value as 6 by N plus 1, which means the second option is the correct answer. I hope this is clear for everyone and everyone is staying at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.